Hi, I'm Synapse, the metahuman, a main character from the teaser called Sap of Nature, and today I have the interview with Synapse. Well, the hardest part when we began this project was the limited time, and we had the fact that our team was small. We had a tight schedule to follow, and there were other teams working on different projects at the same time. So we had to use our resources wisely to make sure we achieved our goals. The idea for this project came from the amazing new technologies available in Unreal Engine 5. We were especially impressed by the new 3D system and the metahuman. The tool inspired us to create a story about a young boy who goes into the forest, but he doesn't treat the environment with respect. As a result, he faces the consequence from the Mother Nature herself. One interesting thing that happened when we started this project was that we had the chance to learn the new things. We also discovered that despite the limited time, the quality of our project will turn out even better than we expect. Our team dedication and skill allow us to expect on our continual vision and deliver a final product that we are truly proud of.